Hey there, welcome back to Best Apps for, your go-to channel for exploring the latest and greatest apps that'll take your audio game to the next level. Today, we're diving into the world of audio editing with a fantastic app, Lexis Audio Editor. Lexis Audio Editor is your one-stop solution for recording and editing audio files in various formats. Let's dive into what this app has to offer. With Lexis Audio Editor, you can create new audio recordings or edit existing audio files with ease. Save your files in the audio format of your choice, even in the trial version. You get access to all the features of the paid version, including the ability to save in formats like WAV, M4A, AAC, FLAC, and WMA. Keep in mind that saving in MP3 format is exclusively available in the paid version. But that's not all. Lexis Audio Editor comes packed with a wide range of powerful tools to enhance your audio editing experience. You can record and play audio, cut, copy, paste, delete, insert silence, trim, fade in, fade out, normalize, and reduce noise. Record directly into an existing file or import one into your current project. Need to mix your current audio with another file? You can do that too. And with a 10-band equalizer and a compressor, you have even more control over your audio. Lexis Audio Editor also offers you creative control over your audio. You can change the tempo, speed, and pitch of your audio, and even split it into vocals and accompaniment. The supported audio formats include MP3, WAV, FLAC, M4A, AAC, and WMA. You can import video files in formats like MP4, 3GP, and 3G2. Now, before you dive in, here's an important tip. Make sure your device has enough free memory on your first SD card to smoothly edit sound files. For instance, for a 10-minute 48K stereo sound, it's recommended to have at least 500 megabytes of free memory. Let's record an audio with noise and edit it like as professionals. Tap on this button for start recording. This is for pause recording. Use this button to stop recordings. After completion of record, use this button to play recordings. Before start recording audio, set the recording volume from here. I will set the volume 9 to 10. Now, let's record audio. I am skipping this part. Okay, recording completed. Let's play it.
Hello guys, thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel.
You can see too many noise in my audio. Let's edit this audio. At first, I will normalize this audio. Now, let's listen again.
Hello guys, thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel.
See, something changed in the voice. Now I will cut the unnecessary parts of this voice. After cutting unwanted pause and noise, I will play it again.
Hello guys, thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel.
Now I will apply the magical noise reduction.
Hello guys, thanks for visiting my channel, and I hope you will like my video and subscribe my channel.
Now, there is no noise in this audio. Here you will find many editing options. If I want to show everything, it will take a lot of time. If you want a dedicated video on this, then comment now. Now, I will show how to save the audio files. Click on the Save button. Then you will get all the downloading formats. MP3 format only for paid users, but we can use all other formats. I am using WAV format. Select your format and click on Save. I recommend that you don't need to use the paid version of it. You can do a lot using the free version. Now our audio is saved. Here it is. I am saying again, if you want to know more about this apps or about using the apps, then comment now.
Thank you for joining us on this app-filled adventure today. If you found our content helpful and insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Your support keeps us going.